The future of trading is already here. Our AI-powered algorithm just detected a stock primed to explode, just like it did before Palantir and Nvidia broke out. And this isn't just a guess. It's based off of millions of real-time data points, trend structure, and price behavior that humans miss. The ticker, Datadog, and it's lighting up all the AI systems that we've built. This is how the 1% of traders are executing. If you want to know more, stick around and you'll find out. Before we start, feel free to subscribe to the Uplift Markets newsletter, where we give personal insights and AI-powered trade setups straight to your inbox. Now, this isn't just some scanner or basic screening. This is deep learning, pattern recognition, and behavioral analysis across volume, VWAP, trend breaks, and AI correlation. The model flagged Datadog based on the following criteria. There's been, number 1, hidden accumulation. Number 2, positive correlation to AI growth stocks like Zscaler and CrowdStrike. Number 3, a technical compression ready for a breakout. And number 4, early momentum surge. Our AI doesn't react, it anticipates. And right now, all signs point towards Datadog. Some of the fundamentals that support the alert are the following. As we know, AI adoption is skyrocketing, and companies are rushing to the cloud to run their models. But with that comes complexity, and that's where Datadog dominates. Their platform monitors system performance, it flags vulnerabilities, and integrates seamlessly with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Revenue surged 25% year over year in Q1 ahead of the cloud industry itself. And here's the AI angle. AI native clients contributed around 6 full points to that revenue jump. Now that is real utility and not just hype. We firmly believe that as AI grows, Datadog wins. Now, our AI didn't just detect a strong stock. It found a perfect technical setup. So for that, let's go into deeper analysis and go towards the chart of Datadog. This is a daily, and as we can see, we're above a key important trend indicator, which is a 50 EMA. This yellow line that you guys see right here on the chart is a 50. We're above it, and generally, we like to give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers because we are above it. Now, the stock has been nothing but increasing since this low that the majority of stocks have made ever since we bounced, pretty much. So, factoring that into the equation and analyzing as well the earnings that were really positive, which would be on both EPS and revenue, we can plot an anchored VWAP from this low to measure the momentum of the buyers that came in. Put it as green, and as we can see, we held above it, pulled back, found buyers underneath it, and we have been nothing but increasing. We haven't touched it at all, signifying how strong the buyers have been since that low. All right. Now, something else to consider is this high that we had. This downtrend that was formed and we fell below the 50 MA, it's important to acknowledge those sellers, right? See where they are right now. So simply, all we do is plot an anchored VWAP from that swing high, which initiated, like the candlestick, that initiated the downside move. So plotting it as red, and as you can see, we are finding it right now. This is the setup that the AI has been implementing us and telling us about. This stock is bullish, like I said, for the following reasons. It's above the 50 and it's above its swing low, anchored VWAP, this green line. We would like to see for the entry of this stock, let's see some candles hold above this VWAP. for a couple of days. And you may be asking why. Well, it would signify that the sellers aren't strong enough to bring the price down lower, which is what usually happens when a stock is below its swing high anchored VWAP. It usually finds sellers who are trying to get more of a discount price and re-enter into their shorts, right? But if we have candles that hold above for several days, it shows that those sellers are weakening. And ultimately, the longer term and the ideal entry would be seeing a candle that just closes above and propulses higher, forming now a higher high, signifying that there is a trend shift and a reversal towards the upside. Following this signal, our price targets would be towards the $150 level, because there is no prior resistance at all until that level. And we firmly believe that as AI adoption grows and Datadog increases the revenue, we will see a challenge of the all-time highs of 169, which is the second price target. So first price target that Datadog is able to achieve if the bullish setup does continue is going to be 150, and the second 170, or pretty much challenging the all-time highs. Additionally, this name is setting up not only just on the fundamentals, but on the technicals. So, trading with AI is no longer an option. It's the standard. We're not talking about replacing traders, but we're talking about giving traders the vision of 1,000 screens. Instant pattern recognition, hidden strength signals, and emotional detachment. AI already predicted Palantir, it called NVIDIA early, and now it's pointing to Datadog. And now you have the chance to see it before the move. So if you want this edge, subscribe to the Uplift Markets newsletter and join the AI-powered trading revolution, where we give real-time alerts, institutional level setups, and we give personal insights. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that bell, subscribe to the channel, and as always, don't let the market whip you guys out. I'll see you guys on the next one.